This fall, the adventure begins again. In 2024, Code and Magic was featured at Maker Faire Tokyo. Code and Magic is a unique learning kit for beginners in programming. By copying the printed code from the codex, you can create and play your own games and art apps. No basic drills needed. Experience the magic of programming through the joy of completion. Now, in 2025, Code and Magic is back, bigger, deeper, and more mysterious than ever. Explore new lands, Silver Leaf Forest, Crystal Wave Island. And now, your creation leaps into reality. Play your own game on a real retro console. For the first time, magic leaves the screen. Take home the starter kit. Continue the adventure, anytime, anywhere. October, Tokyo, big sight. Join us at Maker Faire Tokyo 2025. Find us at the Samurai Apps booth. Let's make magic together. Are you ready to open the door?